What's going on, guys? It's Jared from White Rock Dodge, and I'm super excited to show you guys our new White Rock Dodge project vehicle. So this is my 2015 Challenger Hellcat, and it has been heavily modified. So we've got a 4.5 liter Whipple blower up here, alky control meth kit. It's got long tube headers, all kinds of stuff. This car is going to be a ton of fun. It's going to be a project between my websites, MoparInsiders, and us here at White Rock Dodge. So we're actually at Mission Raceway Park right now, going to drag race this thing, and we're going to take you along for the ride. Mile an hour is low, like 10 off.
1039, 133.
Yeah.
I heard it breaking up a bit up top.
Yeah, I felt like it. Take a look.
Let her cool down.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go, getting ready for run number 2. First run was a 1039 at 133 miles an hour. Mile an hour is down by about 10 from where it should have been, but the car was breaking up on the top end. So let's see what happens this time. It is hot today. Oh, that was good. Woo, woo, woo. That felt like a good run. Let's get the slip and find out.
All right, so I think we have a bracket car here. So we're not running what we wanted to run, but what's the chances of running two identical times back to back? We did pick up about a mile an hour. All I did was I reset the adaptives. It didn't feel like it popped or did anything weird up top that time. So I don't know if it's the weather or what. Got some digging around to do. I know there is, the bypass valve is screwed on this thing, but they're back ordered, so I'm waiting for one. So I don't know if that's hurting us, but we're gonna take a look at the log and make another pass, see what happened.
Go faster.
Turn on the nitrous, Oscar.
Yeah. Works better when the bottle's open.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I've done that before too.
Oh, I have. Many times.
Yeah, I remember when you did that.
Yeah, a couple times.
All right, guys, so here we go, run 3. Got it in my custom mode, so everything in track, but the suspension in street to give us the most weight transfer, keep it as soft as possible. Got the traction control completely off. So you did notice on the last data log, it's like the throttle body was closing during the run and opening back up. I think the blower is sucking the throttle blade closed, but I am not sure exactly.
Launch it harder.
Yeah, I know.
Launch it harder. Launch it harder.
Spun off the line, but then it went hard. It didn't do that weird dip that it did last time between 1 and 2. At at the time slip and see what it looks like. 1044, 134.20. Still a 165 60 foot, even with all that spinning. But going in the wrong direction. Now I know I can't launch it that hard.
Launch it harder.
See my friend traction anywhere?
Find the tires heavy.
A little bit. Still a 1.660 foot, even spinning that hard.
Yeah. Launch it harder.
All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is swap from the 4.5-inch pulley back to the 5-inch pulley. It's gonna run about 4 pounds less boost, but we're not miling an hour any higher than last time with the 5-inch pulley on it. So I'm going to put the larger pulley on, see if we trap the same mile an hour, then something else is going on. So let's get this done. Nope, that's good. Okay, let's see what happens there.
All right, guys, here we go. Run number 4. This is going to be the last run of the night. And we have swapped to the larger pulley. So I don't think it's going to go faster than it's gone at any point tonight. But I want to see if the mile an hour is the same, because that's really going to tell the story whether there's something else going on here. Yeah, that did not feel any slower.
Alright guys, so we ran out of daylight. It's now the next day, we're back at home. Let's take a look at the time slips and talk about what happened. So, we got 4 runs in, and here they are from first to last. So the first 2, 10.392, 10.392 on the second one. 60 foots were very similar, mile an hour, 133.37. Second one, 134.12. Then our third run, this is where I spun on the launch, 165 60 foot, 10.445 at 134.20. That was our highest mile an hour of the night. And then this was the run with the smaller pulley, fastest 60 foot of the night, because I took some air pressure out of the tires, got the car to stick, went a 1550. 10.509 at 131.77. So there's not even a 2 mile an hour difference between our lowest mile an hour run with the small pulley and our run with the big pulley. Now that is definitely tells me something is going on. I did mention in the video the bypass valve in that car is screwed, and it is. Unfortunately, I'm waiting for one that's on back order right now, so hopefully we get that soon and we get that taken care of, and then we can start to troubleshoot stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.